Good morning, students. I am SK Vidyarthi, KGT Computer Science in MGSS Darbhanga. And in this video, I am going to talk you class 7 Computer Science. And here is the third chapter, Function in Excel. This is the 16th day of these chapters. In the previous chapters, I have talked to you about how we are actually doing the sorting and filtering of the data from the pool of data. So many collections of data we have, and we can able to set the condition, and according to the conditions we can able to extract only those specified data which we have necessary or requirement. And in this video I will talk to you how actually we are removing the filtering. After filtering we can able to get only the specified data, not all those data, but after removing the filters then we can able to get the original data. Mean to say all those data again we can able to see whenever we are removing the filters. So let's see, we can remove filters and see all the records again. Whatever the records previously having, we can able to see all those records after removing the filters conditions. So how actually we can do that? So we have to again follow the steps. Click any cell in the worksheets. In worksheet we have provided so many cells, and in each and every cells we have the cell values. So we have to click any cells in the worksheets, and whenever we are clicking any cell in the worksheet, then we have to go data tab, or in data tab we can able to find sort and filter group. This is the broad sections. And in this section we can able to find sort and filter options. So we have to click on filter option. Whenever we are clicking the filter options, then this drop down buttons which is having earlier, it is going to disappear, and we can able to see all those data which was available previous one. So in this page we can remove the filters and we can able to see the data once again. Okay, now adding a worksheet. We are working in the Excel, so we have a main sheet where actually we are doing works. So that is the worksheet. A worksheet is a single worksheet. Worksheet actually it is a page where we can able to do works. So a worksheet is a single worksheet. We can add many worksheets in a workbook. So whenever we are adding so many worksheets, and collectively we can say as workbook. So actually we have a book, and in books we have so many pages. So each and every page is as a worksheet, and whenever we are combining all those pages, then we can see as workbooks. Actually we are working in a single page, so that is a single worksheet, and we can able to add so many worksheets in a workbook. But how actually we can do that? By default, whenever we are opening the Excel, by default we have 3 pages available: sheet 1, sheet 2, sheet 3. But according to the need requirements, we can add so many pages. This is the sheet tab. This is at the lower portions one tab, rectangular sheet is there, and that tab is called as sheet tab. In sheet tab we can able to find at the last one of the buttons like this, and these buttons we can say as insert worksheet buttons. So whenever we are clicking it, then sheet 4 is coming, and again insert button is coming here. Again we are clicking here, then sheet 5 is coming, and insert button is move forward. So we can able to insert so many sheets in the workbooks, and we can able to add the worksheet in the workbook according to the requirements. How much we have necessities. So in this ways we can do that very easily, so simple. So we have learned it. So how this video was, you have to write a comments. Okay, thank you.